The sense of touch, deep cleaning, guided meditation, day 5. The second basic human sense is the sense of touch. The sense of touch is an extremely important sense, both physiologically and spiritually. Let's start a meditation practice on the sense of touch. Please sit comfortably. Straighten your back. Put your hands on your knees, palms up. Do not cross your legs. Be open to the meditation journey. Close your eyes and follow me. All thoughts and worries of today disappear. You are here and now. You are comfortable in your body. Now, take a deep breath in and out. Concentrate on your breathing. Suddenly, something touches you. Feel someone touch your shoulders. Someone is behind you. It is your angel. Feel how life in the form of an angel hugs you, warms you, and gives you love. And now, imagine a beautiful, warm, bright yellow light appearing around you. This light envelopes your body. This light fills you with warmth. This light begins to fill your entire physical body. The body starts to glow inside. And suddenly, the light inside your body begins to combine with the light around you. You begin to feel total warmth and light everywhere. You are one with the light. You are the light. This is the light of love, of life for you. It is the warmth of the universe and God that warms you. It is the warmth of the spiritual world that loves you infinitely. You are the real you. You are the light within. Remember that you are light. You are beautiful. You deserve love and warmth. My dear friend, through the sense of touch, we come into contact with the world around us. Through touch, we feel love, warmth, joy. Let yourself feel the warmth, light, and love of the universe. Remember, life